In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing using a strategy that you can use with integrating AI. Now, this is a basic version of this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how you can set this up. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm actually setting the same thing up for my own affiliate marketing business right now. So what I want to do is take you through this, how it works and how you can use AI to make money online using affiliate marketing products. And this video is perfect for people who are complete beginners to making money online with affiliate marketing. And more importantly, if you are already doing affiliate marketing and you want to make more money and integrate AI into your affiliate marketing business, this is the video for you. So let's get into this video and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll show you everything step by step on how you can scale online and make more money with AI, or just completely start a business right now if you want to. Let's jump into this. Let's get started. All right, guys. So over the last 8 years, I've made quite a good amount of money from promoting products like this and getting paid a commission. So for this website here, you get around about $60. So you earn $65 for each qualified sale that you send them. Now, I was earning $120 because the more people you send them, the more money you actually make. And this was one of the best offers that converted for me over the years. And I made a lot of money from this, from promoting this specific product. So this was one of the best converting ones I ever promoted. So that's why I'm doing a video on this. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this so much easier with AI now. So I'm going to jump straight into this and show you exactly how this works. So for example, you could sign up to this particular program and you get a custom affiliate link and you promote that link and you get $65 for each person that you sign up. But the thing is, if you can create things that help people sign up to your affiliate link, it becomes much better. So let me show you one of the best ways to do that. One of the best ways is to create a domain name generator. Now, back in the day, so if we click this one, for example, back in the day, these were extremely difficult to create, but now they are super easy, and I'll show you how to create one literally within seconds. Let me show you exactly how you can do that. All I did is I went to ChatGPT. I've already done it for us so we can speed up this content. And it says, I want to create a domain name generator and I want to do it in HTML code so that I can put it in my Thrive Themes page similar to this one. And the one that I gave ChatGPT was this. Check this out. It gave me a code. I copy this code. This is how easy this is. I go to my site. I'm going to leave this button here because we're going to use that in a second. I'll just put, we'll leave that there. I put in my HTML code here. This is just a standard web page. You can do this on any website that you have. I put this in here. I post it. And I have a domain name generator. Now let's do some stuff though. I'm going to say, I tested your code. Make it more modern. And it's going to give me a more modern version of this. And then I'll explain to you exactly how you can actually make money from this and make your commissions from, and keep in mind, you can do this with any type of product that you're trying to promote. So for example, if you're trying to promote like an email marketing software, you can build an email builder or something, right? So let's go ahead and do this again. We'll put in this new code that we have. It's got some errors, it seems. And now it's created a very modern, I don't like the little magnifying glass, but a very modern domain name generator for us. So I can get rid of this. Now the key here is to keep these super basic. Now I'll go through some more details on how you can actually make affiliate marketing commissions with this. What you can do is you can keep it simple. It generates domain names, okay? Super simple. We can take our affiliate link, okay? Now I don't have one on me, but we'll just copy this link. And then what I can do is on my page, I can take this little button here. I can change that to say, get domain now. And then what I can do is I can put my affiliate link into there, okay? Boom. So what's going to happen now is someone will go and put in a specific keyword and it's going to generate domain names. And then when they see that domain name, they can go, okay, I'm going to get this domain now. I'm going to go through to that Bluehost affiliate. So that is one way to do that. So what they'll do is they'll come to Bluehost here, and then they'll get started, and they'll sign up their website, and they'll choose that domain name. But we can do much more to this. And what I'll do is I'll explain to you quickly how you can do that, and then how you can actually go ahead and get traffic to this so you can make money online. The next step is there's two ways that you can do this, okay? So what we can do is we can actually connect this. So we can connect this here to the, it's given me instructions, to the Bluehost API key, which means that it will generate domains straight from Bluehost, which we're promoting, and then it gives me instructions on how to do that. So we have to go ahead and we have to host it on a an app, and then we have to host that and all that sort of stuff, right? So that's a little bit more complicated to do. So it gives me the setup steps here. We have to go and host it and host the API key. But there's another way that we can do this, okay? I'm going to say, I just want it to generate random names rather than use an API key. Can we also add 5 options for random niches? Let's see if it can create where it just does random words, so we don't have to connect to the API, and then we can choose a specific niche as well. Now, there's another way you can do this as well. It's a bit more technical. You can create this so people generate a domain name. We can tell ChatGPT to add our affiliate into the code, and it can all be done through that. But that's a little bit more technical. So I'm going to go ahead and take this code, put this into here, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we've got a niche. All right, sorry guys, I had to play around with the code a bit to get this up. But essentially, all I would do, and because I had to play out the code, it reset the design, but that's fine, easy fix. So all I would do is people would choose a specific niche, they would go generate, and then it would generate them some names. Now, it hasn't actually set that up for me just yet, but that's what it would potentially do. You could just ask ChatGPT to set that up for you. And then what would happen is people would click, once they get like a specific amount of names generated, they would go ahead and click on this to go ahead and get their domain name registered, because they would go through to your affiliate link. Now, what you could potentially do as well is also what I tested out off this video before, because I'm actually creating one of these for myself, is you could do a random domain generator that just does random names. So it might just do 100 random names. They don't put in any inputs or anything. It just does 100 random names, 500 random names, 1,000 random names. There's so many ways that you can do this, or you could have multiple types of generators on the same page. So you could do like different blocks. So there's tons of ways you can make money with this, but more importantly is using this tool to get money, to make money, to get traffic to your offers. How do you actually do that? All right, so before we get into that, I just want to explain to you that off camera I was having a few issues, but I got it sorted out. So basically the code that you get is going to depend on what type of landing page you're using. Just ask ChatGPT, it'll explain everything for you. And you can create all sorts of stuff with this. The point of this video is to show that I'm actually starting this right now in my business, and I just want to show you what I was doing. But this is how you can make money with this, right? What you can do is you can do videos on how to create a website. This is one of the ways that I was making money with this. If you already promote specific affiliate website products, you can just go and create that tool and offer it to your customers. But what you can do is you can do videos on how to create a website, and you can do this without showing your face or anything like that. And then in here, you can have links to your domain name generator, right? And you'll see here, build a website with Canva. This is Canva. They're doing a video on how to build a website, and then they've got their own website builder. You know what I mean? It's kind of crazy. You could do videos on how to choose a website name. You do a video on how to choose a website name. Here we go. 40,000 views, 11,000, 200,000. And this is the thing. You don't need a ton of traffic. You don't need a lot of traffic. If you actually go and do a lot of videos, you get what's called micro traffic. So potentially you could get a lot of traffic too, but you get little bits of traffic from every single video. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you how to do this. You're creating a domain name generator to get people into your kind of ecosystem, and they go ahead and click, and they could potentially get a website through your affiliate link. I'll see you guys in the next video. I just want to show the power of AI. It's crazy what you can do with this stuff right now.